Welcome to Houdit, your powered AI content generator. We offer over 70 different writing tools, each designed to help you with a specific aspect of your writing process. Plus other amazing features. I will let you to check them out. In this video, I'm going to show you how our Instagram captions generator can help you create engaging captions for your Instagram posts. To use it, simply choose your language. We support 37 languages. Input what your Instagram post is about. And then choose your tone of voice. There are 10 plus tone of voices. Then click the Generate Text button. Our AI-powered system will then generate a list of captions that are specifically tailored to your post topic. Let's say, for example, you're posting a photo of your delicious lunch. You could input delicious lunch into the tool. Then click Generate Text. And here we go. We got 5 suggestions. If you are not satisfied with the generated samples, just click Generate Text again to get new results. And now you have another 10 captions results, and you can use whatever you like and suits your next Instagram post. As you can see, Houdit makes it easy to come up with creative and engaging captions for your posts. Plus, it saves you time and effort that you can spend on other aspects of your social media strategy. So what are you waiting for? Create your free account at Houdit today. You will find the link in the video description, and get access to all our amazing writing tools, including the Instagram captions generator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tools and tutorials from us.